Hello and welcome. Today we will prepare Moong usal, and let's start. Take a pan, heat it, and take some oil in it. Then add some mustard seeds. Let them crackle. Now add some cumin seeds and then onion in it. Now fry this onion till golden brown color. Meanwhile, we will add some hing in it and some curry leaves. Now we will add some spices, red chili powder, turmeric, then garam masala and salt as per your taste. Mix it well. We will also add some dry coconut and garlic powder. Now fry it for 2 minutes. Now we will add some turmeric and jaggery and our sprouted moong. Now fry it well, and now we will add some water for cooking. Now keep a lid on it and cook it for 5 minutes. Now let's see whether it is ready. Yes. And now serve it. Your Moong usal is ready.